What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my 1949 Chevy pickup truck that is signed by Dale Earnhardt Jr. One of my customers gave me this truck and at first I didn't know if it was real or not, but after doing some research it is 100% real. He even gave me the certificate. Apparently it is one of 848. This is number 610. And it says, this document certifies that your Dale Jr. autographed 1949 Chevy pickup truck is an authentic collectible vehicle strictly limited to only 848 editions and available exclusively from Motorsport Editions. And this is from the Hamilton collection. Pretty cool. And on the bottom of it, you can see, oh, there we go. 610-0610. A little close up of the autograph with a certificate over it, or a little sticker over it, which I hate that they did that, but regardless, pretty cool. The front of it, so 88 there. Other side. It's pretty heavy too. It's like, I don't know, porcelain. What's it say right there? Chevy 3100. JR's Garage, Cleveland, North Carolina. Alright guys, thank you for watching.